Research in the Dunman Lab focuses on identifying new antimicrobial agents against antibiotic-resistant bacterial pathogens. Currently available antibiotics are limited to blocking only a few essential cellular processes, and they're quickly losing ground to antibiotic-resistant bacteria. To date, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus, or MRSA, accounts for over 50% of infections caused by this pathogen, and other species of resistant bacteria are also on the rise. To combat these superbugs, we're using a new drug discovery approach which targets the ability of a bacterial cell to degrade or turn over its RNA. By blocking the RNA degradation machinery with our novel inhibitors, we are creating a possible new class of antibiotics. Using Staphylococcus aureus as a model organism, we have shown that our compounds block RNA turnover within the cell, prevent bacterial growth, possess anti-biofilm activity, and protect mice in a lethal model of infection. Based on the success of our drug development campaign, we are now expanding our antibiotic development program to include the gram-negative pathogens, with particular emphasis placed on Acinetobacter baumannii, Klebsiella pneumoniae, and Pseudomonas aeruginosa. More specifically, we are currently developing assays to study the enzymes that modulate RNA turnover or RNA processing in these organisms. The next stage will be to conduct a high-throughput screen of thousands of small molecule compounds in order to identify those that inhibit the essential components of the gram-negative RNA turnover machinery.